Hey everybody, welcome back to Jamia's Promo, and today we're going to talk about a feature built inside of your Samsung camera that either you've never used before, maybe you used to use it in the past, or you just don't know what it is. But as of today with Samsung One UI 2.1, it's been updated from at least what I remembered what it used to look like, and it's called Motion Photo. Now Motion Photo is this icon here. It's a square with a little play button, and it is actually super helpful, especially with the upcoming days here where you're going to see a bunch of flags, a lot of fireworks. Even though most people don't look at your photos on Facebook of the fireworks, you might want to get that perfect moment, and the best way to do that is actually with Motion Photo. Now you are able to use single take, but maybe you just want to go underneath the photo option. It's something maybe a little bit easier, a little bit less images and space being taken up, but this one will come in clutch if you needed to take a moment right before what you just got done taking. Maybe you're taking a picture of somebody crossing a finish line and you just missed that exact moment of them hitting the ribbon. This is a way that you're able to get it. So all you'd have to do to activate it is tap this icon. Once it's yellow, it's toggled on, and then you just go through and you take a picture. So let's say that I take a picture of this little dice right here. One of the things that you will be noticing is that it's going to take up everything before the image was taken. So this is the image that if you hit share right now, this one will go up on social media. But if you hit on play motion photo, it's going to capture the things beforehand. So let's say that we put this one in landscape, and right before the end, like this image right here, let's say that this was the moment they crossed the finish line. This is what you need to get. You just hit this little screenshot button, and that is the image that it can save. Now, if you are brand new here at the channel of Jamia's Promo and you love these tips and tricks about your Samsung Galaxy device, make sure you guys hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget about that bell for notifications. If you don't turn on the bell for notifications, you might not get notified of any future videos. You can also turn this little 2-second video into a GIF, and then you can also even save the video if you want this to be saved as a video. Again, it's capturing 2 minutes before what it actually takes, and it is actually pretty nice. Now, the file size is not that large. Anytime that you go to a picture inside your gallery, if you swipe up, you'll be able to see the image size. So this one is 5.9 megabytes. Let's say that we go inside of here, we view the motion photo. Let's say that we want to save this video from it. So now we're just going to go on back, and here is the video that we just got done saving. When you swipe up, you'd be able to take a look at how large this one is, and it's not really going to be that big. It's a 1920 by 1080 2-second clip. It's 3.75 megabytes, and then when you look at this image right over here, this one is 5.9, and it's because it's storing the video and the picture. So the picture is also going to be pretty small, but again, you're not going to find any issues with your storage. You know, all these phones these days hold so much storage that it doesn't really matter. So let's take a look at another example. So when you take a look at this picture here, maybe you want to get an image where that flag goes up just a little bit more. So as you're watching this video, the moment that it captured was over there, but as you go through this image, if you wanted them to open up just a little bit, swing it on back, take a look at it, then you're able to take a screenshot, and then now you have that image that you were really technically kind of looking for. And again, the exact same thing here. The image that would probably look really cool was right before this moment. So this is the image it took. But if I was to move it on back, maybe you wanted maybe like a ripple effect where it's about to open up, you'd be able to get that one. Maybe you like this little ripple in the middle, the flag is almost fully open, so maybe this is the image that you're looking for, but you just missed it. It's also going to help if you're taking pictures of vehicles crossing. If you're looking at a car show over the weekend, then you're able to take a picture of that and get that exact moment. But again, this is really going to help out. 4th of July is coming up. Don't really know where and if fireworks will be shown, if it's going to be public, or maybe they're still going to shoot some stuff off, but you got to stay at home. You're still able to take pictures with it this way. So, you know, if you have motion photo turned on, you're going to get a much better image versus if you had it turned off. If you're getting someone to smile, waving at you, car going across the street, taking a picture of fireworks, flags, no matter what it is, turn on motion photo today and you will not regret it. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here in the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.